Hey guys, High Plains Prospectors here, Terp, Scrap Iron. If you're watching this video, it's probably because you've either purchased or looking to install a vinyl sticker on your Minelab metal detector, or really any metal detector for that matter.
Sure.
One of the issues that we have with customers sometimes is them having problems getting them put on correctly. So we are going to real quickly show you the right way to install a vinyl keypad sticker. Now these vinyl keypad stickers come in a variety of different colors for a variety of different metal detectors. You'll see we have several different green camos. We have claw patterns, carbon fiber. We even have pink, woodland camo. We have them for the 900, X-Terra Pro, Equinox 700, Minelab Manticore, Equinox 6 and 800. We also have them for the CTX 3030 and the Nokta Legend and Nokta Simplex. All right, so we have an Equinox 900 here, and we have and sell a variety of different vinyl stickers that go on here to not only protect the screen, the button, not necessarily the screen, but the button, the keypad a little bit, but it also provides a little bit of flair to your detector. And I think Travis has chosen the red carbon fiber for this metal detector, and we're going to real quickly show you how to put it on. So what's the first step?
So first we're just going to make sure it's clean. You know, I've already got it kind of wiped down with a little bit of salt water and just washed it off. And now I'm just got to make sure that it's completely dry so we get good cohesion there. And then what I like to do is just basically, this thing is sticky, and so it's going to take a second to get started. And I'll just take this thing off. You know, what I do is I'll grab it right here from both sides. Let me back up a second. I actually kind of like to turn it on, turn the backlight on. It helps me kind of line up things a little bit. And what I do is I'll just take this. You can see that's going to be kind of sticky. I don't let that set. What you got to do is you got to get that lined up so it hits that hole. You want to make sure that it's getting the hole for the light there. And so you can see I'm a little bit off. So what I can do is I haven't got that bottom part stuck on there good yet. I like that one right there. If I don't, it's kind of a difficult thing, but
I think one of the mistakes a lot of people were making is they were starting on the left or the right and then going from left to right. And if you do that, these are cut just a little bit smaller than what the actual faceplate is. You're going to end up with a little bit more of a gap on one side versus the other. So you can see he's lining up this little tiny hole right there on the indicator light on the upper left of the screen.
we get that top lined up there. And just let it fall. Make sure that it doesn't get bound up. It needs to lay flat. And you know, these are going to be a little tough. You're going to be able to be a little bit off, but you can see there, then work your buttons around a little bit. Make sure you get the center. And then work your way out. Make sure it sits flat, just like that.